Hey, what's up coin hunters, and welcome to another £5 in 2 pences with me, Richie. The way I said my name then, Richie. Right, so let's see if we can find any territories or anything shiny that we can replace our old stuff with. That's the plan, and hopefully find a 1983 and become one of a few people to own one, because I think I'll actually keep it. Yeah, I would actually keep the 83. I wouldn't sell if I found it, even though it's worth loads. I would actually keep it. And what I mean by 1983 is basically it was a misprint, a misstamp. It was supposed to just have the 2 pence, but it got stamped with new pence, and I'm not sure how, I don't think anyone really knows how many are really out there, but there's a few. There could be a couple, and if we notice it, we're super lucky. I think a few people have one, a few lucky coin collectors, but it's a nice 2010. I am not one of them, and I don't really like going through these. I don't really actively look for them. If I did, the videos would probably be about 3 hours long when it comes to the hunt. So these are just looking for territories or anything shiny to replace our collection with. It would have been cool if we had these 100 years ago, because then we would really have some good hunting. Like in America, what's that one that says? No, that's a 2005. But as they're only 50 years old, and all the ones that's from the 70s are pretty much still common, and there's nothing really to hunt, and we're just doing this for fun. That was a bit like some oil on it. It's got an oil stripe, can you see it? There we go. What is it, 2008? So no, nothing in that one. Right, next bag. Here we go with the next bag. Will we find a territory? Be nice to find one which we don't have in the book. Nope. Nothing there. What's that one? Was that the one? That's a 2007. No, no territory in this little handful, I don't think. A nice 71. Kind of looks like it's been cleaned. But no territory in there. And let's flip them 4 together. No. So we've got 2 more bags to go through. And then we are done with this 2 pence video. So nothing so far. That's as shiny as 2002. Look at that one. It's kind of gold. There we go. Gold tarnished. It's on both sides. It's probably where it was stamped. There's probably too much oil. There's one that's been cut, like literally been sliced. It's crazy. Yeah, we're just going to keep looking, see what we can find. It's interesting just to see like what condition the coins are in. I always wonder. We got this new pence here. It's a 71. How many hands have actually touched this and actually used and paid for something? And how many penny sweets it bought? Because I remember growing up, me and my stepbrother used to annoy my stepdad so badly, just so he would give us money to go buy penny sweets. He'd always give us like 20p and we'd come back with a big bag of 20 penny sweets. And I remember like if we went shopping, if my mum had like 4 pence in a change or like little coins, pennies, it was always on the way home buying penny sweets. It's like I wonder if that one that we just saw, how many penny sweets he bought or she bought or it bought. It's a coin, it's not a man or woman. But yeah. Alright, so we have got no territories. Very thin with territories at the moment. No. And no. What do we have there? It's always good. No. No territories or nothing to put in to replace in the book. So guys, thank you very much for taking the time to watch my video. I appreciate it. And I will see you in the next one. So take care guys and happy coin hunting. Goodbye.